So just wanted to take a second and show you guys our current project. You see, it's such a unique property. It's 4 acres right in a mid-sized southern city, which you don't see very often.
The thing I love so much about this property is just the mature landscape. It's got these beautiful old trees, kind of rolling hills and a pond, and it feels a lot more remote than it actually is.
This is a property that we're putting deep thought and care into.
Not to throw shade at any flippers, but that's just how we always do things. We don't cut any corners.
And as far as the house itself, it's got really good bones, but the layout and the design left a lot to be desired.
We've lived there for a while, and that's helped us come up with a perfect plan.
And now we just have a list of a couple projects to tackle.
Yeah, some real simple ones.
The demolition derby, removing some load-bearing walls,
Privacy trees,
vaulting the ceiling, moving the kitchen,
the greenhouse,
new laundry room, half bath,
garden,
massive deck, all new doors and windows. And that's just phase 1.